Want to study Japanese language? Visit our Facebook page at Plastone School, or you can click the link in the description. Sign up now and create your future with us. You can also visit our YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to be updated. Plastone Language School Incorporation.
Hello everyone, my name is Molinger from Pullman. In this video, I will be discussing about the pattern noun mo. Before we start, make sure you have the following: pencil or pen, then notebook. In lesson 1, we learned how to say item A is this, item B is that. We now learn how to say item A is this and item B is this too. Noun mo. This is the meaning of noun mo. Comparing two different subjects with a similarity or same property. Its English equivalent is also or to. Mo is a particle that indicates that that item too has the given property. In Tagalog, din or rin. The first example of noun mo is Takeshi-san wa Nihonjin desu. Takeshi is a Japanese person. Michiko-san mo Nihonjin desu. Ang gusto iparating ng second sentence is si Michiko-san din is Japanese. Ibig sabihin, ang basis natin dito is si Takeshi-san. Kinompare natin si Takeshi-san at si Michiko-san. And pareha silang Nihonjin. This also means na hindi ka pwedeng maglagay lang ng Michiko-san mo Nihonjin desu nang wala kang pinag-compare. Dapat lagi kang may basis kung saan mo i-compare yung isang bagay. So, I hope you notice na yung second sentence, instead na wa yung particle niya, naging mo na yung particle niya. Kasi ang pinaka-pattern niya is A wa X des, B mo X des. Which means A is X, B is X too. A and B are two different items while the X are shared property. Si A and B dapat magkaiba sila. Yung X, yun yung pagkakaparehas nila. Hindi natin pwedeng ilagay na A wa X des, A mo X des. Hindi natin pwedeng ilagay na parehas yung subject. Dapat magkaiba yung subject natin and may pagkakaparehas lang sila. In this first example, anong pagkakaparehas ng dalawang bagay na ito? The color. Parehas silang kulay pula pero magkaiba sila ng object. Dito natin i-apply si particle mo or yung noun mo. Our example is kasa wa akai desu. Akai is color red. And kasa is the umbrella. So, kasa wa akai desu. The umbrella is red. Next is, kaban mo akai desu. The bag is red too. Basta makita mo si particle mo, ibig sabihin na nun is, parehas sila. Ay, yung bag din, kulay pula. Yung bag rin, kulay pula. Okay, next example. Su-san wa sensei desu. Su is a teacher. Takeshi-san mo sensei desu. Si Takeshi din daw is teacher. Magkaiba sila ng subject pero ang similarity nila is pareha silang teacher. Okay, next example is Yamamoto-san no senko wa eigo desu. Yamamoto's major is the English language. Mary-san no senko mo eigo desu. Mary's major is also English language. Alright. Another example of different subject and same property or may similarity sila. Si Yamamoto-san at si Mary-san ay magkaibang tao pero ang pagkakaparehas nila ay yung major nila which is Eigo or English language. Activity tayo. Compare the following pictures and write your comparison using the pattern A wa X des, B mo X des. Our example here is Yamada-san wa gakosei desu. Watashi mo gakosei desu. Yamada daw ay estudyante, ako din ay estudyante. First activity, anong pagkakaparehas nung dalawang bagay? Parehas sila ng kulay. So, ang sagot natin dito is Yamada-san no kuruma wa aoi desu. Yamada's car is blue. Mao-san no jitensha mo aoi desu. Mao's bike is also blue. Activity number 2, anong pagkakaparehas nila? Parehas sila ng suot. Parehas sila ng profession or ng trabaho. Ibig sabihin, ang pagkakaparehas nila is yung trabaho nila. At anong trabaho yun? Yun yung isha or doctor. So, ang tamang sagot dito is Karen-san wa isha desu. Mei-san mo isha desu.